Let me show you how you can close the liquid glass on your iPhone. So you can go to your settings app like this, and part of the display and brightness, so you can click on that menu, and when you expand it, you should be able to see the liquid glass menu. So you can tap on it like this, and you can decide if it's going to be tinted or clear. And when you have it selected to clear, you can see that it's looking much more of the style called liquid glass. So if you want to kind of like turn it off or close that feature, you can switch to tinted, which looks much more like the regular look of the windows and buttons. So depends on how you want to keep it, but the point is that this may not be part of every single iPhone, because by default, like, you know, with the first versions of iOS 26, well, we didn't really have the feature in here. So if you don't see it by any chance, just go to general section and software update and install the latest version so you actually get that version. So that's how it would work. One more thing which I think you should know is that if you are on your home screen and access the lock screen like this, I might have a couple of things going on. You can also hold down on it like that to make some edits and click on customize. And my point is that you can also decide that when you click on the clock, whether you enable it as a solid color or the glass color. So, you know, a specific feature like the clock on the lock screen can also be set to be the liquid glass or normal color. So another quick tip I wanted to mention, but I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Let me know what you think below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next uploads.